Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer security cameras subscriptions with Ring for rental homes step by step clearly. To transfer security camera subscriptions with Ring for rental homes, start by logging into your Ring account. Go to the Devices section of your dashboard. Select the security camera you want to transfer. Click on the settings icon for that specific device. Scroll down and choose the device subscription option. You will see a list of available subscriptions associated with that camera. Select the option to transfer subscription. You will be prompted to enter the email address of the new user. Ensure the new user has an active Ring account. After entering the email, click Send Transfer Invitation. The new user will receive an email with a link to accept the subscription transfer. Instruct them to open the email and click on the link. Once they click the link, they will need to log into their Ring account or create a new one if they don't have it. After logging in, they will see an option to accept the transferred subscription. Once accepted, the security camera subscription will be successfully transferred. Confirm the transfer by checking your own account to see if the subscription has been removed. Let the new user know that they can now manage the security camera under their own account. You have now successfully transferred the Ring camera subscription for a rental home. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.